Biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ban rach me bana jaling riak mi chitogre wish ko Uor County ka jonglei state gwas mi murlëë chika na chika nga makten chika Nuer mak chala ro shanir shop ko die shaka na kan jandan kon linga jan gwas me gor jan obeja nywaka ya ka jan lere me ngi kon no ne ri shala murlëë ni ti teler kan kare Nuer ka te dit ti gor de Nuer de kan ka reala ka gwa ke de kan dob dana de ka ganga je de kan reala ka shit kamana la gat ken nan ka nan ko ken kana ka ke chiru muto ko ne metam ban rajme ban jelin kele kan kono ni amre rajme mi jira me jidit kan Nuer online TV channel na je en go jender je nyo na ko ken ke der subscribe kan Nuer online TV channel ko der wanti ti de kan shamala shu gwas ndan ampai ka break je ka jen gwas me ken yam ban jalat ka thoknath ka kora ban jolin ka thok english ka do badan cha dare me cha je non ka je gwas me borno bi subscribe bi notification bell bi jetwan ka bi comment ka jen video shala do ne shanwer dang de shakanak murleni kane dang baro titeka bot tidit rei wich ka sa Sudan kole la Uor County jen do badana shalad kane dialan kono yamu ka bot wa chaga nang rei dwelwal chaga nang rei dwelwal winami ko de bot ken de kawo moy kawal wa ka bot didalong chiko bod tiene kane to moy ka bore we ko Uor County ka jonglei state rego motwo ka changa dies ka jok cha ok ti chop ka kin dang baro ok ti chop kin dang baro cha ka pejaken kane ko la murlene ka shi kane tin tre ok chi kane yunak ne dang dies ka chi kanok to chi kane chope kane re konti lat ka rego me ke ngwan murle ke ngwan jaba ngai kon ngwan jaba tin kon let kan ka to bej Uor County Commissioner Ramadan la Uor James gat kor galwak chiraj me chala do nena jene de konen ya muika bot cha kanang rei dulwal gwada ndana muika waltin ka chala ponde en James gat kor galwak no nena ne den kontin nakana kana kokti kin dang baro ko muika ne baro bot ne to ke ngwante be ke greater people administrative area KGPAA akani de kon nan kok cela do ri ko me to ko ka changa baro ko pay diok ron kin dangaro jen dangaro de dech ka chang dar chu morlen chu ben ngon ke long wa chu kana chu kan magre yo ka chu kor mo chu tok ka kar tie ka yai ton o jen kor mo chu ne dang de chu kana ka ne dang baro te ka bot ka chu ok te kin dang baro chu ka nang ken chi commissioner cela do men chala do morle chi mo gwa chi ka kwedwer cela do ka ni ko la ngani chiko kone ne to la murle lo ka no to kana gor duno ngode kan ken dial kan ga jek kanok ten konen chanang no shi ngani shi gren koren she use leader galwabul jela do ne den kontin lat kana me ka murle na tin tam gor ka jeno ba je ngajen go an go mele ro do mo metedi ko ne me la ne ro ni chang ne de kontin la murle ni ko de kari ke de kan kapel duno shi kenaling ajala ne right kane to content ka authority kini content ka long ka greater people administrative area la wujaba amana kwarken la ka la rotel rik mi chitok jona me jari ga dan to kan tama ko shikan ngajen wano tilat ko dien ki tilat ke ngane ken ko ditedi ne me jenda na chalat kwarki commissioner dung Uor County. At least 5 people have been killed and 7 others injured in an attack by army asylum near the outskirts of Uor County headquarters in Jonglei State, authorities said. The assault, which occurred on Friday afternoon, also resulted in the theft of 7,000 head of cattle. Uor County Commissioner James gat kor galwak said that some of the injured were in critical condition and were receiving medical treatment at a local facility. He accused army youths from the Greater People administrative area of carrying out the attack. On the afternoon of 7 March, around 2 p.m., Murlëë youths launched a heavy attack on a cattle camp called Kar near Yuaiton, he said. In the fighting, we lost 5 youth members and 7 were injured. All 7,000 cattle in the village were raided by Murlëë youths. The commissioner condemned the attack and said local youths were pursuing the assailant to recover the stolen cattle. He also urged residents to relocate from hotspot area as a safety measures. A local youth leader, Galwabul, also denounced the attack and called for an investigation. As youth, we condemned the attack. Early in the week, we were also attacked, resulting in the deaths of 3 people and the injury of 5 others, he said. Effort to reach Peter Ajahn Kamoy, the acting Greater Pibor Administrative Area Information Minister, for comment were unsuccessful. Civil society activist Bol Dengbol, Executive Director of Interpret South Sudan, expressed concern over the renewed intercommunal violence in Greater Jonglei. He called for immediate intervention to prevent further escalation. This is a setback to the peace we have been pushing for. It is deeply disappointing, he said. There is a need for a strong condemnation of this attack and a strict follow-up or resolution from past dialogue to avoid a return to the vicious cycle of intercommunal violence.